Did you know that Alzheimer's disease can be treated naturally? It's a prevalent condition affecting millions around the globe, yet the science behind it remains a labyrinth for many. But what if we told you nature holds the key to unlock this mystery? That's right, certain nutrients and lifestyle changes can potentially manage or even reverse the impact of this mind-boggling disease. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned to discover how nature can help combat Alzheimer's. To understand how to treat Alzheimer's disease naturally, we first need to understand what it is. Alzheimer's is a progressive brain disorder that impairs memory, thinking skills, and the ability to carry out simple tasks. It's primarily caused by two abnormal structures called plaques and tangles that are found in the brains of people with Alzheimer's. Plaques, sticky clumps of beta-amyloid proteins, build up between nerve cells, while tangles, twisted fibers of tau protein, form inside cells. These plaques and tangles disrupt communication and nutrient flow in brain cells, leading to cell death. As the disease progresses, these plaques and tangles spread throughout the brain, leading to significant brain shrinkage. This results in the typical symptoms of memory loss, confusion, and changes in behavior we associate with Alzheimer's. Understanding this underlying science is critical, as it informs the basis of natural treatments. With this understanding, we can now delve into how natural remedies can help. So, how can nature help in the fight against Alzheimer's disease? Well, let's dive into some natural remedies that can manage or even reverse Alzheimer's. First on the list is omega-3 fatty acids. These brain-boosting nutrients found in fish, walnuts, and flax seeds have been shown to slow cognitive decline, according to several studies. Next up, vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant found in nuts, seeds, and leafy greens, can protect the brain from oxidative stress, a key factor in Alzheimer's progression. Also, let's not forget about curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. It's been hailed for its potential in reducing Alzheimer's symptoms due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Of course, these aren't overnight solutions. Depending on the individual, it may take several months to a few years to see significant improvements. But patience is key, and the journey towards better health is always worthwhile. Nature truly does hold powerful solutions for our health challenges. Interested in more natural remedies and health tips? Then don't hesitate. Give that like button a click and share this video with those you care about. Got a question or a remedy to share? We'd love to hear it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for Remedy Seeker to stay updated with our latest health tips and natural treatments. Join us in our journey to discover the best of nature's remedies. Remember, your health is your wealth.